What's going on, YouTube? So I recently built a new gaming workstation PC with a Ryzen 7 1700 and a MSI Gaming Pro X370 motherboard, and I plugged it in to my old PC's SSD, and that was running an i3 4160 with a B85 Micro ATX motherboard from Gigabyte, and I didn't think the system would boot, but it actually booted, and it was very interesting because initially it was perfectly fine. But then when I started installing the MSI DVD drivers, that's when I started noticing jitteriness and lags and screen tears. Audio would cut in and out if I was streaming something on YouTube or watching a video on any website. It would randomly start screen tearing, and the audio would start cutting out. So, long story short, if you're not going to update the drivers on your system, it may work if you switch over to a new motherboard and new CPU, but I would highly recommend a new, fresh, clean install, just because later on down the road you don't want to run into some serious issues with codes, and you don't want to debug that, and you don't want to reinstall everything once you have everything set up. It's best to just start new while you can, as early as you can. But yeah, honestly, other than that, it was very interesting. I did not think that it would work. I thought it would say system error, but initially, once I booted it up, it said that it was installing drivers, and after install the drivers, it was very jittery when it was doing that. But after install the drivers, the screen turned off and it turned back on, and then it started becoming buttery smooth again, and then it finally booted into Windows. But like I said, the jitteriness and stuff is not worth the headache when you can honestly just start from scratch and avoid a lot of headaches down the road, which is something that I really recommend. A lot of people find it a hassle to just start fresh and do a clean install, but honestly, in my opinion, especially based on what I saw after doing my build, it is well worth a clean reinstall. This was just a quick little video. It's just something that I noticed that stood out to me. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.